Are you dealing with bloating, tiredness, or sugar cravings and just chalking it up to aging? It might not be age, it could be your gut. Let's explore 7 common signs your gut is struggling and what you can do to restore balance and feel your best again, starting with one of the most common ones: bloating after meals. Have you ever finished a meal and suddenly felt like your belly's puffed up like a balloon? That bloated, gassy feeling isn't just uncomfortable, it's your gut's way of saying something's off. As we get older, our digestion naturally slows down. Our bodies produce less stomach acid and fewer enzymes, so food doesn't break down as easily. This means it hangs around longer in the gut, leading to more gas and that tight, uncomfortable feeling, especially after eating rich or carb-heavy meals. According to the American Journal of Gastroenterology, bloating is often linked to an imbalance of gut bacteria or delayed stomach emptying. When the balance of good and bad bacteria is off, your gut can struggle to process food properly. To ease the bloat, try eating smaller meals, chewing your food well, avoiding carbonated drinks, and sipping on gut-friendly herbal teas like ginger or fennel. Adding a gentle probiotic can also help restore balance and support smoother digestion. And speaking of things not moving smoothly, let's talk about the second sign: constipation or irregular bowel habits. If you're not going as regularly as you used to, or if things just feel a bit stuck, your gut might be sending you a signal. As we age, our digestive tract slows down a little. We often move less, drink less water, and sometimes don't get enough fiber. All of that can make bowel movements less frequent or more difficult. On top of that, researchers have found that an imbalance in gut bacteria can also play a role. According to a review in Nature Reviews Gastroenterology and Hepatology, certain strains of gut bacteria help regulate how the colon moves. When that balance is off, constipation can become a recurring issue. However, gentle movement like daily walks, eating more fiber-rich foods like oats, beans, and veggies, staying hydrated, and supporting your gut with a quality probiotic can help things get moving naturally without relying on harsh laxatives. But your gut doesn't just affect your digestion, it can also influence what you crave. That brings us to sign number 3, cravings for sugar or carbs. Can't stop thinking about cookies, pastries, or that second slice of bread? You're not alone. And believe it or not, your gut might be partly to blame. Some types of bad gut bacteria actually feed on sugar. And when those bacteria start to overgrow, they can send signals to your brain that trigger sugar cravings. It's a sneaky cycle. And it's not just about willpower. A study published in Bioessays suggests that gut microbes can influence our food choices by producing chemicals that affect our mood and hunger levels. Basically, the bugs in your gut may be whispering or shouting, "More sugar, please." To break the cycle, try cutting back on processed sugar and eating more prebiotic-rich foods like oats, bananas, and asparagus. These help feed the good bacteria that keep cravings in check. And to give your gut an even better chance at balance, adding a trusted probiotic can help crowd out those sugar-loving microbes and support healthier digestion from the inside out. Now, we're halfway through our list, and if any of these signs are sounding familiar, it might be time to show your gut a little extra love. One of the easiest ways to support your digestion and overall gut health is by taking a high-quality probiotic, like YourBiology Gut Plus. It's made with clinically studied strains specially designed for adults over 50 to help improve digestion, boost immunity, and even support a better mood. If you'd like to check it out, we've included the link in the description, and don't forget to use the code HNR at checkout for a special discount. All right, let's keep going. Sign number 4, low energy even after a good night's sleep. Waking up tired even after what should have been a good night's rest? That drained feeling could be more than just age or stress. It might be connected to your gut. Your digestive system plays a bigger role in energy levels than most people realize. When your gut isn't absorbing nutrients properly, especially B vitamins and iron, it can leave your body feeling sluggish, no matter how much you sleep. Studies in cell metabolism have shown that the gut microbiome helps regulate how your body processes energy from food. If the balance of bacteria is off, you might not be getting the fuel you need, even if you're eating well. To get your energy back, focus on eating a variety of whole foods, especially those rich in fiber and antioxidants. Stay hydrated, move your body a little each day, and consider adding a probiotic to help your gut absorb nutrients more efficiently and reduce hidden inflammation that can sap your strength. But low energy isn't the only thing that might be coming from your gut. Next up, sign number 5, brain fog and difficulty focusing. Ever walk into a room and forget why you're there? Or find it hard to focus on a task you used to do easily? That cloudy, forgetful feeling, often called brain fog, can actually be linked to your gut. There's a powerful connection between your gut and brain known as the gut-brain axis. When your gut is out of balance, it can trigger inflammation and mess with your mental clarity, mood, and memory. Research published in Frontiers in Neuroscience explains that certain gut bacteria produce neurotransmitters like serotonin and dopamine, chemicals that help regulate mood and brain function. So if your gut health is off, your brain can feel it too. To help clear the fog, try getting regular sleep, managing stress, and eating more gut-friendly foods like leafy greens, berries, and fermented foods. A good probiotic can also support that gut-brain link by reducing inflammation and helping restore healthy communication between your belly and your brain. Now, let's shift gears a bit because sometimes your gut talks back in a more obvious way. Sign number 6, frequent gas or burping. Now, a little gas or the occasional burp after a big meal? Totally normal. But if it's happening often, even after small meals, or you feel gassy all day, your gut might be struggling to break things down properly. This usually points to poor digestion, and sometimes it's because your gut bacteria are out of balance. Certain bacteria create more gas than others, especially if they're digesting food that wasn't fully broken down earlier in the process. Another common reason? Eating too quickly or talking while eating, which causes you to swallow air, something many people don't even realize they're doing. Try slowing down at mealtimes, avoiding gum and fizzy drinks, and keeping track of foods that make you feel extra gassy. And if gas has been a frequent issue, a quality probiotic might help balance out the bacteria and support smoother digestion with fewer surprises. But your gut doesn't just affect digestion, it's also a big player in how well your immune system works. That brings us to sign number 7, weak immunity or getting sick often. If you feel like you're catching every cold that goes around, or it takes you longer to bounce back from being sick, your gut might be playing a bigger role than you think. Around 70% of your immune system actually lives in your gut. It's your first line of defense, helping your body recognize and fight off harmful bacteria and viruses. When your gut bacteria are out of balance, your immune response can slow down or become overactive. A study published in Nature Reviews Immunology highlights how the gut microbiome helps train and regulate immune cells. So when your gut isn't healthy, your immune system can get confused or just plain tired. To keep your defenses strong, make sure you're eating colorful fruits and vegetables, getting some sunshine, managing stress, and staying hydrated. And supporting your gut with a good probiotic can help reinforce that immune barrier and keep you feeling stronger longer. As we get older, maintaining a healthy gut becomes more than just a digestive issue. It's connected to everything from immune strength to mental clarity. Fortunately, small, consistent habits like staying hydrated, moving your body, eating fiber-rich foods, and managing stress can go a long way in supporting your gut naturally. Some individuals also benefit from incorporating a high-quality probiotic into their daily routine. One option you might consider is YourBiology Gut Plus. It combines clinically studied strains, including Lactobacillus acidophilus, Bifidobacterium lactis, and Lactobacillus plantarum, formulated with a unique delivery system designed to protect the bacteria from stomach acid, ensuring they reach the gut alive and active. What's great about YourBiology Gut Plus is that it's designed with real-life concerns in mind, like digestion, bloating, immunity, and even hormonal balance. It's especially helpful for adults over 50 who want to feel more comfortable and balanced day to day. So if you're curious to learn more, we've included a link in the description. And if you do choose to try it, you can use the code HNR at checkout for a special discount. Thanks again for watching. If you found this video helpful, feel free to like, subscribe, and share it with someone who's also looking to feel their best from the inside out.